Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'd like to welcome you to our brand new listing located in the Highlands Ranch, the very sought after neighborhood of the Brownstones. The address is 925 Brookhurst Avenue, Unit F. This is an incredible 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome. The finishes are phenomenal. I can't wait to show you around. Let's go take a look. As you can see, this beautiful townhome not only is low maintenance, turnkey, but also is located centrally in Highlands Ranch. So if you know anybody that's interested, have them give me a call. I'll set up a private showing. Otherwise, I'm going to have an open house this Saturday the 30th from 12 to 2. I'll see you there.